You know, they say we die twice. Once when the breath leaves our body, and once when the last person we know says our name.
Because whatever went down, whatever happened, we will fix it.
Will we? Because right now I'm doing all I can not to come over there and rip your throat out.
You were gone. I was here. I had to keep on fighting without you.
You okay?
You okay? Are you okay? You okay?
You okay?
You're gonna be okay. Am I? Are you?
I'll live. You?
Fantastic.
For so long, all I wanted was to be like other people, to feel what they felt. But now that I do, I just want it to stop.
Too much is wrong with me. And you can't do anything about that. You can't change it. You can't fix me, because I'm not broken. I don't need to be fixed, okay? I'm me.
You didn't see that coming.
I got this.
I had to look after you. That's my job.
What do you think my job is?
What?
You saved my life. Over and over. I mean, you sacrifice everything for me. Don't you think I do the same for you? I can't let that happen.
What do I do about this? Finish it. What do you want me to do, okay? Scott, just tell me how to fix this, all right? I'm thinking maybe you were right, and maybe we are pretty much useless.
Like I had one job. I had one job. And I screwed it up.